Hey IT pros! Are you looking to ace your IT exams and skyrocket your career? Let's talk about why role-based IT exams from Microsoft, Google, AWS, and other top providers are game changers for your career growth. First up, why should you care about these certifications? Well, they're not just pieces of paper. These exams validate your skills and knowledge, making you stand out in a competitive job market. Plus, they can help you get promotions, pay raises, and even open doors to new job opportunities. Microsoft's role-based certifications, for example, are tailored to specific job roles like Azure Developer, Security Engineer, and Data Scientist. These certifications ensure you have the hands-on experience and expertise required for these roles. And let's face it, who doesn't want to be the go-to person for cutting-edge tech in their organization? Google and AWS also offer fantastic certifications. Google's Professional Cloud Architect and AWS's Solutions. Architect certifications are highly respected in the industry. They show that you can design and manage scalable, secure, and reliable cloud solutions. But how do you prepare effectively for these exams? That's where our new book comes in. It's called Preparing for Role-Based Microsoft Exams, a step-by-step guide, and it's available on Amazon right now. This book breaks down everything you need to know, from study tips to practice questions, helping you navigate the exam process with ease. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today and start your journey to becoming a certified IT rockstar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on boosting your IT career. Catch you in the next video.